In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left and hover over Create, and here under Customers you can see you have Sales Receipt. Now whenever you click on it, you can basically select the customer first up top. So here you want to click on the drop down, select the customer, then you want to put in their email, their address, stuff like this. I have some demo data over here as you can see. And then whenever you're ready, you can select if you want to record or charge. So you can do record payment or charge new payment. Now I'm going to record it. You have to select your receipt date, reference number, your payment method, and then over here, of course, you want to select deposit to, and then of course where you want to deposit. Then you have additional fields, which is like location of sale, and down here you want to add products or services and their quantities, rates, and amounts. So I'm just gonna go and do some random things over here, which I have inside my demo account over here. So I'm gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna do, let's do like 5 of them. There we go. And let's say that's it. Of course, you can add more lines if you need to. Whenever you can add a message, stuff like that, add attachments, and then down here you can see you have like discounts, and you have the option to see kind of the total balance and stuff like that. So whenever you're ready, you can basically click on record, or you could just click on record and new, record and close, or record and send. Okay, so do it that, and there we go, you've successfully done it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.